Hello, good morning everybody. I'm Dr. Narayan Rao, an author, freelance journalist and a homeopathist. Okay, I got worldwide reputation. I want to thank YouTube officials for their kind cooperation. Now, let us say about HIV, how to bring to negative. HIV came negative, please ask for proof. The title is HIV came negative, HIV came negative, please ask for proof. Okay, I got the proof for bringing HIV negative. I am an honest person, I am an author, I am an intellectual. Okay, I am not a bogus person and I am not earning motive. Whatever fees I am getting, amount is getting from the patient is very low, very reasonable. Okay. Now let us know about HIV. HIV is a dangerous disease which doesn't show any symptom. HIV doesn't have any symptom. Okay. It comes by sexual intercourse of HIV patient. Only by sexual intercourse, not by sweat. Okay, like that. HIV virus is a single-stranded RNA virus. Single-stranded RNA virus. Okay, this virus enters into the nucleus and destroys T-type lymphocytes. In lymphocytes, there are two types, B type and T type. There are two types of lymphocytes, okay, B type and T type. This HIV virus enters into the nucleus of T type cells, T type of cells, lymphocytes, especially CD4. Especially CD4 named lymphocyte. Okay. By going on reducing the level of lymphocyte, it invites, our body invites to TB or herpes like other diseases. It harms or destroys our immunity power. Okay. It is understood that COVID-19 is also a single-stranded RNA virus and it also destroys lymphocytes. So COVID-19 is very dangerous to HIV patients. In the last stage of HIV, we see diarrhea and fever. That's the last stage, end stage. And the patient cannot be survived in that stage. In homeopathy, there is an antiviral which our homeopaths or homeopathists do not know. That particular antiviral homeopathy medicine is to be given at very high potency. It should not be given in 30 or 200 potency, which doesn't work, to our So it should be given at very high potency, as high as 10 m or 1 lakh potency. Nothing will happen. Okay. By my treatment, many HIV patients got HIV negative report, about which I am sending the copy of the lab report to a district health officer. I am sending the copy of the result of HIV patient HIV negative reports, lab reports. I am sending it to a DHO, district health officer, to prove that I am not a bogus person. Okay. Anyway, it is learnt many hereditarian Ayurvedic doctors or duplicate Ayurvedic doctors are cheating HIV, innocent HIV patients, and some HIV patients told to me that they have lost about 4 to 5 lakh rupees. So here we know HIV patients are very innocent, so they should not be cheated. Okay. I don't want to cheat anybody because I am honest, I am straightforward, I am not earning motive. I got some principles or doctrines in my life. I am an intellectual, I am an author, I don't want to cheat anybody. So this I want to say first, I don't want to cheat anybody, okay? If HIV patient CD4 is more than 500, I can challengingly say that they can get negative result, negative report, HIV negative report within 1.5 years. By getting 1 or 1.5 years homeopathic treatment, high potency homeopathic treatment, they may get negative report. But even then it depends upon their viral load. If a viral load is too high, it may take some more time, but certainly HIV can be brought to negative by high potency homeomedicine, not by low potency homeomedicine. Okay. If CD4 level is below 500, I say only 50 to 75 CD4 may be improved per month. Every month CD4 may be improved 50 or 75, 50 to 75. Suppose if it is 300 or 200 like that, then per month only 50 CD4 may be improved. So, but I never give treatment to drunkard and to the smokers and those who eat gutka like element. I never give to such people because it can't be improved. CD4 can't be improved. Their HIV cannot be brought to negative. So that I am not giving treatment to drunkard and smokers. Okay. So if anybody wants the negative report, or if anybody wants to know about my achievement, about the proof for curing HIV, if anybody wants to know the proof about HIV negative report, they may please contact me. My phone number or my mobile number is +91 934 22 55080. At the same time, I request the audience to subscribe my channel and like my channel. Okay? So saying this much, I will put an end to my speech. Thank you for listening. Okay? Good afternoon. Wish you all the best.